Holy, look at my feet. Look how deep it is.
I know, I'm in.
Oh my God. Oh my God. My truck. Okay. I'm shooting on you right now. That's crazy. This is deadly.
$2,000 years later.
Guys, look at the condition right now of the M8. It's currently dripped in snow, covered up in snow. Holy. You know what we're about to do though? You don't get snowfalls like this, so when you do, definitely got to take advantage of the situation. All right, that should be much better. Let's go ahead and place this over here. Good view of that. And let's go in ahead and start making our way. Can't see anything in the rear. Holy, the weather is deadly right now. Quick setup of the drifting. Here, if you can hold this for me and make sure it looks good. Make sure the headliner isn't showing entirely. Let's go ahead and go and put it in rear wheel. And we are off.
Let's go.
Let's go a little more further in.
Wait, I was gonna say try to keep your head looking straight for one of them.
Okay. Gonna heat up a bit so that we don't get all blurry. Ready?
Oh my God.
The car is currently going sideways against my will.
She sent me a text, don't answer her call. She love when I flex and shop in her mall. Relieving her stress, I beat down her walls. She skied on her jet, she kissing my balls. She speeding in bed, don't stop at her loss. BB's on my neck, I shine in the dark. It's easy to slip, don't want you to fall. Walking with a drip, that make her a ball. Shoot your shit up, I got accurate aim. Fucked up a few minutes, now I'm back like I came. That boy said my name, I went got me some strange. You know I don't crash, I just stay in my lane. Please don't compare because we not the same. Don't want it, no gimmick, ain't coming for fame. I took for a minute, they had a name. Work hard for these clothes and watches and chains.
Okay, I think we got enough clips now. Let's go.
That was super fun.
All right, thankfully we were able to make it 2-hour pit stop. Got the M8 over here. The weather is crazy right now. Like, if you guys think this is anything, the highways are literally going 30 kilometers an hour right now. Look at the petrol, empty. This gas station is usually full. It's not even late right now. It's like 10 o'clock at night. Tonka made it through. Come on. Look at that. All right, let's go get our food. And then we are on the way home.
Why are we in this country right now?
I have no clue, my love. I have no clue. The weather is crazy. You can't see any of the lanes. I have no clue which lane I'm in. Honestly, no idea.
We just made our own lane.
We just made our own lane. The highways are slow. Everybody's going 30. Like, it's deadly out here. So if you're in Canada and you see weather like this, just stay home, honestly. Stay your ass at home. Oh, there goes the car. The back is kicking. Love to see that. What's happening here?
Oh, what
What is that? Highway ramp is closed. Look.
Oh.
They closed the highway ramp.
Damn.
Damn, I've never seen that before.
Yeah, I've never seen
I have never seen that before. And I've been in Canada for well over 15 years now, so you know what it is. There's always a first time for everything. But yeah, guys, if you're in Canada and you see weather like this, just stay your ass at home. Honestly, it's for your own good. You don't want to be driving in this weather. This guy made a U-turn. His car just 360'd. He just lost control in the U-turn. Oh my God. The Jeep guy who was behind us. The highway ramp closed.
Wait, is he okay?
He got control again. His car was literally sideways.
Oh my God.
Yo!
What
We
the heck?
just talked to that guy at the gas station too. Guys,
Oh my
I am telling you,
God.
if you're here in the
Oh my
GTA
God.
and you see this type of weather, stay home. It is not worth totaling your whole car just to go get something or go somewhere. Stay home. Got that on film, I think. I don't know if you'll be able to see that far.
Yeah, well, he was asking if we were gonna get home safely.
Buddy,
like, so
buddy,
you gotta worry about
you focus on yourself. Eyes on yourself, sir.
Look at this.
Look at this little boy putting in that work. I rate that. Anyways, guys, we're just about to arrive home, so we're gonna catch you guys later, and hopefully the weather gets better. This guy's high-babing me. Maybe he's trying to warn me of some cops up ahead. I don't think there's gonna be any cops trying to stop anybody right now. Like,
horrible.
come on, buddy. If I slip through the stop sign, you're gonna give me a ticket? Like, look at the weather, bro. Like, anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will catch you guys later. Peace.
Bye.